Hey everybody, it's Avi here. I just want to show you a new feature. It's been out for a little bit, but it's still new for me. I'd consider it on the akuvox installer portal. The installer portal on the bottom right, you have a little AI bot. Now, it's not perfect. It's not. I wouldn't put it for a lot of advanced things, but I would question it for some basic things. Like here, I asked how to turn off the motion lights for the LEDs not to go on an R20. Gives me the exact information. On the see-through and 3, how do I set up the different forms of auto answer? Because there's a couple ways you're able to do it. The ones we usually do it, enable auto answer, go to phone, call feature, others. If I do how to physically reset an R20, it supports by short-circuiting the input, ground and door A. Let's see, templates, how to create the templates and where that information is. But also like some basic information. How do I turn auto answer on S567? Again, and not only does it tell you where to do it, it also gives you the option for the autop file. And autop, if you're not familiar with it, it's a way to somehow put like a template. So you don't got to log into the device and make a lot of changes. You could literally just, through the cloud, pop in the text, which would be, enable equals 1. We have to add an equal. This just shows it to you. So do something like this. Control C. Let me go here. Let's say I'm going into a community, and then I'll go to autop. And so if, let's say, obviously these were all S567s, I would select all of them. They're not, so I'm not going to paste the same code because it's not going to work. But theoretically, if they were the same, I would just make sure this is here. So you're gonna do the equals 1. Once I would submit it, it would actually push the setting onto all the devices that the auto answer from monitor to monitor inside would all work. Now, if it's under regular, that means that the setting, if anybody locally logs into the device and makes the change, and the cloud notices it, it will push it back. One time, we'll only push it one time, and then it disappears from here. That's the difference. So, and again, so a lot of times people want to do these configuration settings, how to do it, and you could literally just put together that template. So it's pretty cool that that does it here. How to reduce, time of calling from a R29 doorbell. I will go that way and see what it gives us. Again, there are a lot more options that you're able to search here. Knowledge at akuvox also has it, but the AI for some basic things that you're trying to figure out, it's worth looking. Just double check that it makes sense what it's saying, that it didn't put you in a different direction, because nothing's perfect with AI, but it does give you a lot of information that you're able to get to. And again, our support's here also, but a lot of times quickly just going over here, putting it here and typing it in, we'll get it to you. Hopefully this helps.